Here I have HUAWEI Ascend G620s, and let me show you how to enter the download mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And afterwards you need to use the following combination of keys: power key, volume down and volume up. So let's hold down together these three keys, for a couple of seconds. Let's keep holding those keys. Release all three keys as soon as HUAWEI Ascend logo pops up on the screen. And that's it, this is the download mode. As you can see, the device is already tried to install the system update. So you can connect your USB cable and try to update your device. If you are not updating the phone, you can simply press power key to quit this mode. Let's keep holding power button for a long time. Release power as soon as phone goes black. Now the device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And that's right, now you can unlock the screen and start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.